Just imagine you make $25 for every 5 minutes. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can make $25 for every 5 minutes. Don't skip any part of this video because this tutorial is step by step and I will show you two bonus websites that will help you to maximize your result. Before we get started, this is Good Chance Investor channel. Consider to subscribe to my channel and turn on notification bell. Once I upload a new money video, you'll be notified and be the first to make things happen. And if you have any concern, you just leave a comment below. Let's get started. First website I want to direct you is pixel.com. Pixel.com is a free stock photo and video shared by talented creator. Just go to web browser, type pixel.com. It will come like this, and at the search bar type black and white photos. After type black and white photos, you will see a bunch of white and black photo. As you can see, there is a bunch of white and black photo. I will show you how you can use this black and white photo and make money online for free without spending even a single dollar. And this entire platform is free and all photo you'll download it for free. So after this, I want you to go to the website called the hotpot.ai. So I want you to look this picture here. As you can see, below it there is a already colorized black and white photo. By using our black and white photo we see at pixel.com, this one, we are going to colorize black and white photo like this one, and I will show the website where we are going to place our photo and get paid. So for example, you choose I choose like I do this as for example, but for your case you can choose any photo. So I take this as an example. So you go to download, this one is for free. After download it will come. Either use smartphone, and good things about it, you can do it at your smartphone or tablet or computer. So no limitation of device you use, or there is no limitation. It works worldwide. Everyone can do this. If you come from UK, Nigeria, Bangladesh, United States, you can do this for free. You just come to this website here. After click colorize picture, white and black photo, you're supposed to upload your chosen photo. After upload it, you're supposed to go to colorize this photo. After colorize it, you will download it to your computer and it will look like this one. As you can see, this is white and this is colorized photo. After doing so, before I'm going to show where you're going to place this photo and get paid, I want to show another bonus website that called the remove.bg. So as you can see here, this website is free and you don't need to sign up to do this stuff. What you are supposed to do is to remove background of photos, and I'm going to show you another site. You're going to upload this and place this photo and get paid. Just you need to upload, as you can see, this photo. As you can see here, you can remove background and download it for free. As you can see here, there is a place to upload it. So after download a photo either from pixel.com or wherever you get it, you can come here and upload the photo. Let's say you take this one as an example. We want to remove our background. After upload it, as you can see, there is a background. You're supposed to download it. After download it, it will look like this one. So I'm going to show you where you are going to place this photo. As you can see at the second website, after I'll show you where you are going to place this colorized photo, and I'm going to show where you're going to place this photo you already remove background by starting with the Colorize Photo. First website we are going to make money with this photo already. Doing so, Colorize Photo, go to fiverr.com. Just type fiverr.com. After doing so, look, this is a platform where freelancer and talented creator place their service for money. So after this, you come to search bar here below, you type colorize photos. After typing so, as you can see, there is many people who offer this service and charge. You can see there is people charge $20, $10, $10, $20, $5. I will restore and colorize your old photo for, and there were some presents. So you can see here, you already get 412 customer and charge $5. If you can see by calculation, as you can see, 412 by charging $5, you already make it $2,060 for just doing colorized photo. As you can see, you already put some work. As you can see, white photo, colorized photo, white colorized photo. So at the website I show you how colorize photo is just some, you just need to put a sample project like this one, and people will ask you for this service, and you are supposed to take order and fulfill order and get paid. And I want to show you how you can do this. So next step here, you're supposed, after going to Fiverr and type colorize photo, you're supposed to click here, become a seller. You're supposed to go to this area, become a seller. You sign up, become a seller. You're supposed to sign up with either with continue with Google or continue with Apple. Just type, fill your email address, continue. Just upload sample work of colorized photos I showed you before, and more people will land to your service and make order. You're supposed to fill order and get paid. You'll make money like never before. So by this case of colorized photo we finish, we are going to remove background. For this case, this website will help you to remove photo background. So you take this sample work, go to this website I show you as a bonus to maximize your result. And if before I go into this website, I beg you smash the like button because I give you this amazing value for free. So go to peoplepower.com. After coming here, what you are supposed to do next, we show you remove photo background. You are supposed to come to People Power, just type remove, remove, remove background. You can type remove background or background removal, whatever is okay. Just click search After search, you will see sample project of other people doing this stuff and get paid, as you can see. And I want to take this one here as an example. As you can see, there is a photo here. The background, there is a building, but here there is no building. After remove photo background, he place here and he charge $10 per each customer request for photo. And the good thing is you can notice there is a review, and the review is good, 5 star. And he already get 506 customers. Just imagine, already make $5,600 by just doing this simple stuff. Even you can do this and get paid this amount of money. Just imagine, make this amount of money without spending even a single dollar. If you are new to my channel, consider to subscribe and turn on notification bell for another new money video will be able to. Thank you for watching. See you at the next video.